Okay, Mommy's going to turn on the water soon. You ready?
Go.
Go. I thought you were going to wash the car and not water the pebbles. That's right. All the dirt.
Taxi driver.
You're a taxi driver?
Yes.
Mm.
Cleaning driver.
Yes, you're cleaning it just like the taxi driver. How about the seat and the wheels? Have you soaped the wheels too? Wow, that's nice. All the soap suds are all gone, huh? Fantastic.
Pebbles.
I don't think the pebbles need it, huh? Excellent, darling. We can start a business soon.
The ice.
Clean the eyes? Alright.
And shoes.
Oh, your shoes, yeah, that needs a lot of cleaning. I'm so glad.
I wash the gate.
No, I don't think the gate needs washing, thanks. But the wheels of the car need washing. The wheels of the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. Alright.